Hello everyone, welcome again to GISE Pathshala. So friends, now in exercise 4.2 we have to draw the two quadrilateral and one rhombus. So let me see how to draw this quadrilateral and rhombus. So here a quadrilateral LIFT is given. So we have to draw the quadrilateral LIFT. LI 4 centimeter. LI is a side of the quadrilateral. IF 3 cm, also a side of the quadrilateral. TL is also the side of the quadrilateral. LF, so it's a diagonal of the quadrilateral. And IT is also the diagonal of the quadrilateral. So first of all, here three sides are given. So first of all, we will draw the side. The longest side is the LI 4 centimeter. So we will draw here 4 centimeter, that is LI. So here I am drawing LI 4 centimeter. So it's LI 4 centimeter. Now the side we have to draw the quadrilateral LF. LF is 4.5 centimeter. L is over here, so F is maybe this side. LF is equal to 4.5. So let me draw the arc of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, it's a 4.5 centimeter. L, take L as a center and draw the arc of 4.5 centimeter. So maybe F will be over here, maybe something over here. Now we having F is over here, so IF is given 3 centimeter. So I as a center and draw the arc of 3 centimeter. Okay, so let me draw 3 centimeters arc from I as a center. So as I as a center, draw the arc of 3 centimeter and joint it. So it is our point F. Okay. Now friends, we got F, L and I. Now the another diagonal, that is the IT, it's a 4 centimeter. Take I as a center and draw the arc of 4 centimeter. So let me draw it. Okay, I as a center and the arc of 4 centimeter. Now friends, LIF, so something over here T will be there. यहाँ पे T आएगा कोई, but here IT is done. Now LT is 4, sorry, not TL is 2.5. From T to L, L to T is 2.5. So from take L as a center and draw the arc of 2.5 centimeter. So I am measuring 2.5 centimeter is over here. Take L as a center and draw the arc of 2.5 centimeter. Whenever both arc intersect, you just give the name, join it, and our quadrilateral LIFT is ready now. So this way you have to draw the quadrilaterals. Okay, now how to write down the points? Points you can write down by your way. I am writing the points and directly I will show you how to write. Friends, here are the points, how to write down the points. Whatever things you are doing in the drawing, that all things you have to mention in the points. Quadrilateral number 2, that is the quadrilateral GOLD. Here OL is the side 7.5, GL is the diagonal, GD is the side 6 centimeter, LD is the side 5 centimeter, and OD is also 10 centimeter diagonal. So friends, here these two are the diagonals. These two are the diagonal of the given quadrilateral. So let me solve how to draw it. So first of all, the longest side is the 7.5 centimeter. we have to draw the 7.5 centimeter, that is the OL. So it's our OL 7.5 centimeter. Now friends, we having a two diagonal. Okay, so first diagonal is OD. So OD is equal to 10 centimeters. So take O as a center and draw the arc of 10 centimeters. So it's too much. It's very long. O as a center and arc of 10 centimeters. Okay, like this. So it is our arc. Take O as a center and arc of 10 centimeters. So OD. So friends, we guess that here something D will be there. So in anywhere D is there. Yes, LD 5 centimeter. LD 5 centimeter. So take L as a center and draw the arc of 5 centimeters. So we got the point D. So let me draw the arc of 5 centimeter by taking L as a center. So it is our center L and arc. Whenever both arc intersect, we should give the name D. So D is over here. It is our D. Now join the D with L and join also D with O. Now friends, OLD, now G is remaining. So now GD is equal to 6 centimeter. GD is equal to 6 centimeter. So now friends, what we have to do? GD from a D, we have to draw the arc of 6 centimeter from D. So take D as a center and place the arc of 6 centimeter. Now GD is done. Now we having another data. GL is equal to 6 centimeter. GL, G is coming over here, so L is here. So take L as a center and draw the arc of 6 centimeter. So it is also 6 centimeter. GD is 6 and GL is 6. So D से 6 centimeter का arc और L से भी 6 centimeter का arc. So both arc is ready. Whenever both arc intersect, just it is our next point G. Join the all. So ये हो गया हमारा G. So our GOLD, our quadrilateral GOLD is ready now. Points of this you have to write down by yourself. Okay. Now friends, third one is the rhombus BEND, where BN and DE is given. So BN is diagonal and DE is also diagonal. Two diagonals are there. So for the rhombus, we should know the property of the rhombus. In the diagonal, both diagonal intersect each other, bisect each other. Means दोनों diagonal एक दूसरे के half part करेंगे, bisect each other. And another property, both diagonal intersect each other at the right angle, perpendicular. Both diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So first of all, let I draw the diagonal DE 6.5. So I am going to draw the diagonal DE 6.5. So here is my diagonal DE. It's a 6.5. Now it's a 6.5. Now I have to draw the perpendicular line and exact bisector. How to draw the perpendicular bisector? So take the compass, take E as a center, more than half. Half से थोड़ा ज़्यादा रखना है. और take the compass more than half and draw the arc upside downside both. Now take D as a center and draw the arc upside and downside both. Now you just match these both intersections. Okay. So now this one is the perpendicular to DE, and it is also the bisector. Let me see it is bisector or not. We just take DE is equal to 6.5. So if we take 6.5 divided by 2, so our answer is 3.25. So ये half है, 3.25 around होना चाहिए. So we can see that it is exact 3.25 exact. So it is also the bisector. Now we know that, friends, DE is this and BN. So it is our BN. BN is 5.6. So if we take half of 5.6, so it's so half of 5.6 is equal to 2.8. Okay, 2.8. So measure in the 2.8 over here. Measure 2.8 and cut up and down both sides. So we got our both point that are B and N. So here, so this is our B N. So it's our rhombus is ready. You have to write down the points by yourself. So please, friends, here we complete our exercise 4.2. So complete this exercise 4.2 in your notebook with the points and send me the photographs as soon as possible. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.